Hey everybody, my name is Kartik Subramaniam. I'm a real estate entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm the founder of a very large real estate education company. Absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for the business. I'm happy to have found it. Follow my journey here on YouTube.
Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. I'm always looking to bring you the latest in real estate, and I want to share something with you here. You know, Amazon has just launched a service here recently called Amazon Agent Neo. And basically what Amazon Agent Neo seeks to do is it seeks to connect buyers and sellers with local real estate agents in the area. So now if you are looking for a lead source, I would highly encourage you to, and I'll put the link in the description box, but sign up with Amazon Agent Neo, because when someone is, let's say, at their house and they're asking the Amazon device, hey Amazon, find me a house in Dallas, Amazon is going to route that lead through Agent Neo and connect that potential home buyer with someone in Dallas. So it's important for you in that example, if you're a Dallas real estate agent, getting on that Amazon Neo platform is important, because anytime someone goes through that Amazon site to try to find an agent, you want to be one of the agents that are on that list. Now you might remember last year, for a brief moment, Amazon put up a page on their Amazon site where you could find an agent. The internet went crazy about this. It was on a bunch of blogs, and Amazon unexpectedly had taken that web page down after just a day of being up. I recorded a podcast about that actually. I'll link that up in the description box also, so you can check it out. But I would encourage you, if you are a believer in Amazon, and I would encourage you to be one. I don't think anybody's made a lot of money betting against Amazon, and I'd highly encourage you, become an agent on the Amazon Agent Neo website. So when people do go to Amazon and look for an agent in an area, that's a way for you to capture some of those leads. And it's still early. A lot of people don't know about this yet. So again, part of my job as a real estate educator is to bring you all the latest information, and Amazon Agent Neo is definitely one of those things. And I don't want my subscribers to be left behind. Speaking of subscribing, if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that now. Hit the link below, of course. It'll help me make a bunch more videos for you. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'd love to get to know you on and offline, and we'll catch you on the next video.